Hello everyone, I'm Josefa, and in this video we are going to discuss how you can host a website using GitHub. So let's dive right into it. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to visit github.com website and then create a new repository. So I will click on new repository, and then while naming your repository, you have to write your username first. So in my case, it is Josefa Asif. Then you have to write github.io, and then you can provide this repository some description to host a static website, and then it should be public. So I will click on create repository, and then what I have to do is I have to add all the files that I need to host. So for that, I will use GitHub desktop software. So to add files to my repository, I'm using GitHub desktop. And you can download this software by going to desktop.github.com, and you can download this for your MacBook or your Windows laptop. So, and it is not mandatory that you can add files to a repository using only GitHub desktop. You can use command line, or you can use Visual Code, or you can use any other software that you like. So I have this already installed, so I will open this up, and then I will search for the repository that I have created. So this is josefaasif.github.io, and then I will click on clone repository. I will give this a path, and then I will select this and click on clone repository. It will clone all the data of that repository into that particular location. Right now, the repository is empty, so an empty folder will be created on desktop. I will go to this folder that has all the files that I need to host, and then paste it inside that repository folder. And these are all the files of an Angular website. I have run npm build command, and all these files are generated. So I want to host it, and you can do this with React project or simple HTML project. So once I paste all the files here, I will open my GitHub desktop, and I can see all the changes. So I will add a name. Uh, Solo files. Commit to main. So I will commit all these file into desktop, and then push my changes to the master branch. And what I can do is I can publish the main branch, and you can see like it is writing objects. So it will take some time, and it will then add all the files to GitHub. And then what I can do is I can open the repository and see if all the files are added there. So now, as all the files are published to GitHub, so I will go to GitHub and refresh this page, and you can see like all the files are added. So now what I will do is I will type in my username, then .github.io. This is basically the repository name that I have created, and you can see the website is working and it is hosted. And so this is basically it.